friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the first Intel Arc A730M powered laptop. And when this laptop itself appeared to go under the name of Dawn16 Discovery Edition and features a 16-inch display with a native resolution of 2560 x 1600 with a 165Hz refresh rate, and friends, CPU wise a Machenike with a Core i7-12700H, which is a 6 plus 8 core CPU with 20 threads, where the performance cores top out 4.7 GHz. The CPU has been paired with 16 GB of 4800 MHz DDR5 memory, and system also has a PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD of some kind, and with a maximum read speed of 3500 MB per second, which isn't particularly immersive. And other features include Thunderbolt 4 support, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, as well as 80-hour battery pack. And it has been paired with 12 GB of GDDR6 memory with a 192-bit interface at 14 Gbps according to the specification. And however, none of the above is particularly unique, and what matters here is of course the Intel Arc A730M GPU. And the memory bandwidth is said to be 336 GB per second. A company also provided a couple of performance metrics with the 3D Mark TimeSpy figure of 10,002 points and 3D Mark 5 strike figure of 23,090 points. And if I talk about the pricing, this laptop is priced at about $1,130. So if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.